Reading Pioneers is proud to present Spider Sense, Spider-Man vs. Venom by John Sazaklis, pictures by Andy Tong, colors by Jeremy Roberts. Peter Parker. Peter is a good student and a photographer. He also has a big secret. He is Spider-Man. Aunt May. Peter lives with his Aunt May. They take care of each other. Eddie Brock. Eddie used to work at the Daily Bugle until his bad attitude got him fired. Spider-Man. As Spider-Man, Peter uses his powers to help people. J. Jonah Jameson. Mr. Jameson is Peter's boss at the Daily Bugle. Venom. This new villain in town has powers like Spider-Man, but he's here to cause trouble. Peter Parker was enjoying his day off at home with his Aunt May. "These pancakes look yummy," Peter said. Suddenly, a news flash on TV grabbed Peter's attention. "A monster is attacking the city," said the reporter. Peter jumped out of his seat. "This is my chance to impress my boss," Peter said. "I've got to snap pictures." "Please take a snack," said Aunt May. "And do be careful, Peter." Secretly, Peter changed into Spider-Man. He grabbed his camera and a banana, and then he swung through the air. "I feel like a spider monkey," he said. Across town, the monster climbed to the top of the Daily Bugle's building. He was large and mean, and had sharp teeth and claws. He crashed through a window. "I am Venom!" roared the monster, "and I'm in charge now." J. Jonah Jameson was shocked and scared. Venom shot black webs and tied Mr. Jameson to the wall. "Who do you think you are?" he yelled at Venom. "You don't remember me?" asked Venom. He pulled off his mask. The monster was really a man. "Eddie Brock!" shouted Mr. Jameson. "That's right," said Eddie. "After you fired me from the Bugle, a slimy alien creature fell on me. It attached itself to my body and gave me superpowers. Now I am Venom, and I am out for revenge." Spider-Man followed the damage to the Daily Bugle building. He saw that Mr. Jameson was in danger. Spidey webbed his camera to the window, and then he sprang into action. "Stop the presses!" Spider-Man yelled. Venom was angry. "Looks like we have a bug problem," he snarled. Venom shot his webs at Spider-Man. "Hey, those are my moves," said Spidey. "Here's web in your eye." Spidey covered Venom's face. The villain could not see. Venom ripped off the webs and roared. Spider-Man leaped onto the wall. He tried to free Mr. Jameson, but Venom grabbed him. "My, what big teeth you have," Spider-Man said. Venom had a strong grip, but Spider-Man broke free. Venom charged. Smash! Crash! The walls shook and cracked. "I have to find a way to stop that violent villain," said Spider-Man. Venom ripped a heater from the wall and aimed it at Spider-Man. Suddenly, the pipes began to blast hot steam. The heat made the alien weak. It could not stay on Eddie. That gave Spider-Man an idea. He shot a web at the pipes and pulled them toward Venom. The super suit began to melt away. Eddie became even angrier. "You need to let off some steam," said Spider-Man. Spider-Man pulled Eddie out of the suit and webbed him to the wall. "Hang tight," Spider-Man said. "The police will be here soon." "Let's not forget about you, Slimy," Spidey said as he trapped the alien inside a metal wastebasket. He sealed it shut with extra webbing. Then he helped free Mr. Jameson. "Look what you did to my office!" Mr. Jameson yelled. "It's a mess!" "Now look who's hot under the collar," said Spider-Man. The police arrived and took Eddie to jail. A scientist carried the alien back to his lab to study it. When no one was looking, Spider-Man got his camera and left. He had to develop his pictures quickly and give them to Mr. Jameson. Mr. Jameson liked the photos. "Must be your lucky day, Parker. These are going on the front page." Peter smiled to himself. It was Spider-Man's lucky day, too. Thank you everyone for reading along with us, and I hope you enjoyed Spider-Man vs. Venom. Growing up, Spider-Man was my favorite superhero because of that wonderful phrase, "With great power comes great responsibility." And it's something that I've been trying to live by ever since I learned it. But I'd love to hear what you guys thought. Comment below your thoughts about the book and what you think about the amazing Spider-Man. If you like this video, click the thumbs up button to help support this channel. It really means a lot and it allows more videos to be uploaded on a regular basis. Subscribe to our YouTube channel to stay up to date with all future uploads from Reading Pioneers. And if you could, share this video with your friends and family. I'm sure they'd enjoy it as well. Until the next upload, here are some other videos that you may enjoy. Unfortunately though, that is all the time we have for this video. So, until next time, I hope you guys have an amazing day. Bye-bye.